Today I'm saying the review on Nosh and Appliances, the review which tells the truth, and many of you may not like it. So it is not necessary that you may like something because it is true. Okay, now we have seen these two products, Nosh and Appliances. Both of them are waste of time. One they have made in a mixer grinder, the other one has just turned the microwave into a food processor. Plus, it is cooking also. For the Nosh, Nosh is relatively newer than Appliances. First, let me talk about Nosh. Nosh, what they have done, they have given you a slide, a tray where you can put some food, and then the food will be taken and it will be added in the a big vessel, and the food is made. The food vessel is not that very big that it can serve a whole family. It is only for couples or the children who are studying all alone. It is only for them because it is super expensive, but 62,000 or 72,000 or something, and the delivery is quite late, I guess so, because they are still in the manufacturing mode. And as compared to Nosh, Appliances has a better reach in the market. It is available. It's just a simple mixer grinder, or you can say a cooker. Just add the stuff inside that, it will be chopped and it will cook itself. What are they making? Only breakfast? Is it dinner? It does not look like dinner. They are just putting their fancy pictures on Instagram, attracting the customer. Actually, if you see, in their vegetables, in their curry, the water is running. वो पानी चल रहा है उसके अंदर. क्या बनाया क्या है? ब्रेकफास्ट खाएं हम डिनर में, लंच में भी ब्रेकफास्ट खाएं तुम्हारा ये लेके. What they have made, I don't know. This Nosh warranty, or what warranty they have given? 1200, 1200 cooking for 1 year warranty, and 22 or 2400 cooking for 2 years. If I have a family of 4, it is just giving me the meal for only one person. I have to cook 4 times for breakfast, 4 times lunch, 4 times dinner. And then it will be, my full family will be served with the food, because the trays are so small. Upon that, I have to take someone's help, chop the food, put it inside the tray, then it will cook it. Instead of this, I will not hire a guy. She will make it for me, a servant or a maid or a helper. Instead of buying this product, on that they have some issues going on. You don't give the proper warranty, your marketing is not done properly. Are you misguiding the people, the consumers? What are you trying to do? I really don't understand. And the appliances have done a little better job than this one. They have saved the money for marketing. Directly it is sold by Amazon. Nosh is sold from their website, not delivered on time. And on the outer consumers, it is not being delivered. It is still in India. I really don't understand what they're saying. It is क्या है? एक कुकर ही तो है. What else it is? एक मिक्सर ग्राइंडर है, एक कुकर है. So instead of giving us a different variety of things, say it's a cooker. New style of cooker which looks like an oven. Or another cooker which looks like a mixer grinder. Why are you giving it in a super expensive way? What are you trying to do? See, if you do the economics over here, food made at home is expensive. Buy these things. Instead of making at home, I will buy it from outside. It will be still cheaper to me. If I'm having a breakfast on a higher side, 100 rupees per meal, it is still cheap if I do the math. For 3,000 for a month, and if I calculate it for a year, it is 36. This is super expensive, 72. Plus tax भी होगा, वारंटी भी है. वारंटी जो ना के बराबर है. क्या बनाए क्या है? इसकी केस स्टडी देखो. AI इंटेलिजेंट, कंज्यूमर का उल्लू बना रहे बैठ के और कुछ नहीं कर रहे. बेकार है. इसकी केस स्टडी देखो. देखो कहाँ से फंड हुआ, कहाँ से क्या हुआ. Everything is there. You just simply have to download it. You will get it, understand it, and forget it. It is not a good product. From my side, it is not a good product. Donate them some money, they need it.